Broccoli. Have you ever wondered why broccoli is considered a superfood? If yes, then you're in the right place. This humble, tree-like vegetable, popular on dinner plates around the world, is a powerhouse of nutrients. But there's more to broccoli than meets the eye. Broccoli, a member of the cruciferous family, is packed with a host of vitamins and minerals. It's no surprise that the National Library of Medicine, the world's largest biomedical library, and the Mayo Clinic, one of the top-ranked hospitals in the United States, endorse broccoli as a nutritional superstar. But why is this green veggie so special? Why should we make it a staple in our diet? The answer lies in its vast range of health benefits. From boosting the immune system to reducing the risk of chronic diseases, broccoli is a versatile vegetable that can enhance your health in ways you might not have imagined. It's like a hidden treasure chest of health benefits waiting to be unlocked. And it's not just about health. Broccoli's unique flavor and texture make it a versatile addition to a variety of dishes. Whether it's a simple stir-fry or a gourmet salad, broccoli can elevate your culinary experience while providing you with essential nutrients. But we're just scratching the surface here. There's a world of information to explore about this green giant. We'll delve into the nutritional value of broccoli, its health benefits, and how it can help prevent diseases. We'll also hear from experts at the USDA and the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, who will shed light on the science behind broccoli's health benefits. So, if you're curious to know more about broccoli and why it deserves a spot in your daily diet, you're in for a treat. Stay tuned as we delve into the world of this green giant and its astonishing health benefits. What makes broccoli a superfood? Let's find out. You might think of broccoli as just another vegetable, but its nutritional richness tells a different story. According to the United States Department of Agriculture, this green veggie is a powerhouse of essential nutrients that can boost your health in remarkable ways. Firstly, broccoli is loaded with vitamins. It's a significant source of vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that helps protect the body from damaging free radicals. 1 cup of raw broccoli can provide more than 100% of your daily vitamin C requirement. It is also high in vitamin K, which plays a critical role in blood clotting and bone health. Not to mention, it's packed with vitamin A, supporting eye health and immune function. But the nutritional value of broccoli doesn't stop with vitamins. It's also rich in essential minerals. Broccoli is a good source of potassium, which helps maintain a healthy heart rhythm and blood pressure. It's also loaded with calcium, which is crucial for bone health and nerve function. Furthermore, it offers a fair amount of magnesium, which is vital for muscle and nerve function, and can help regulate blood sugar levels. And let's not forget about fiber. Broccoli is high in dietary fiber, which aids in digestion, helps maintain a healthy weight, and lowers the risk of heart diseases. Plus, it contains a decent amount of protein for a vegetable, which is essential for building and repairing body tissues. In addition to these vitamins, minerals, and dietary fiber, broccoli contains phytochemicals, specifically glucosinolates. These compounds are known for their potential cancer-fighting properties. They also contribute to broccoli's distinctive taste. One more thing worth mentioning is that broccoli is low in calories, making it an excellent choice for those watching their weight. You can eat a lot of it without packing on the pounds, yet still feel full and satisfied thanks to its high fiber content. Clearly, broccoli is a nutritional powerhouse, but how does it contribute to our health? Let's explore this in the next scene. Scene script. Prepare to be amazed as we unveil the health benefits of broccoli. In this green powerhouse, nature has packed an impressive array of health benefits. Let's start with digestion. Broccoli is rich in dietary fiber, which aids in maintaining a healthy digestive system. This fiber helps to prevent constipation, promotes regularity, and aids in overall digestive health. But that's just the start. Broccoli is also a superhero when it comes to boosting your immunity. It's packed with a wealth of essential nutrients like vitamin C, which is a powerful antioxidant and an immune system booster. This means a regular serving of broccoli can help protect your body from common illnesses and infections. Now here's where things get really interesting. Research from the National Library of Medicine suggests that broccoli may play a role in cancer prevention. Yes, you heard that right. The compounds found in broccoli, like sulforaphane, have been linked to lower rates of cancer. While we're not suggesting broccoli is a cure-all, these studies show that it might be a powerful player in your preventative health strategy. And let's not forget about your heart. With high levels of both potassium and folate, broccoli helps to maintain a healthy heart. Potassium is a vasodilator, which means it relaxes tension in your blood vessels and arteries. thereby reducing blood pressure and preventing heart-related diseases. Then there's the benefit of maintaining healthy bones. Broccoli contains high levels of both calcium and vitamin K, both of which are important for bone health and prevention of osteoporosis. So whether it's aiding digestion, boosting immunity, potentially warding off cancer, or looking after your heart and bones, broccoli is a true health powerhouse. Isn't it incredible how much this humble vegetable can do for our health? But that's not all. Broccoli also plays a vital role in disease prevention. When we think about disease prevention, the first things that come to mind may be regular exercise, good hygiene, and routine checkups. While these are important, we often overlook the power of our diet. And in this, broccoli shines as a potent ally against a myriad of health issues. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, or CDC, diet plays a crucial role in preventing chronic diseases. And broccoli? It's a superstar in this league. With its impressive nutritional profile, broccoli aids in warding off chronic conditions like heart disease and cancer. To start with heart disease, broccoli is packed with heart-healthy nutrients. It's rich in fiber, which helps to lower bad cholesterol levels, and potassium, which helps to maintain a healthy heart rhythm. Additionally, the sulforaphane in broccoli has been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties, which can help to prevent damage to blood vessel linings caused by chronic blood sugar issues. Turning our attention to cancer, broccoli again shows its might. It contains compounds like glucosinolates, which the body converts into powerful anti-cancer substances. Studies suggest that these compounds can inhibit the growth of cancer cells and even encourage them to self-destruct. Moreover, the antioxidants in broccoli help to neutralize harmful free radicals, which can otherwise damage cells and contribute to the development of cancer. But broccoli doesn't stop there. Its array of vitamins and minerals also contribute to a robust immune system, which is our body's first line of defense against diseases. And its high fiber content aids in maintaining a healthy gut, which is increasingly being recognized as essential to overall health. So, next time you're planning your meals, remember to add a generous serving of broccoli. Your body will thank you for it, and so will your future self. It's clear that incorporating broccoli into our diet can have profound effects on our health. So, why should we eat broccoli daily? Let's recap. In the vast world of nutrition, broccoli emerges as a superfood, brimming with a wealth of nutritional benefits. We've unraveled the hidden treasures of this humble vegetable, revealing that it's not just another green on your plate, but a powerhouse of vital nutrients. Let's jog our memory on the nutritional value of broccoli. It's packed with an impressive array of vitamins, including A, C, E, and K, and a suite of B vitamins. It's also rich in dietary fiber, minerals like potassium, calcium, and selenium, and bioactive compounds with antioxidant properties. All these make broccoli a nutritional dynamo that can boost your health in numerous ways. Speaking of health benefits, broccoli is no slouch. This green marvel can aid digestion, bolster the immune system, and promote heart health. It can also contribute to bone health, support eye health, and even help in maintaining a healthy weight. The antioxidants in broccoli can protect the body from oxidative stress, and its anti-inflammatory properties can help manage inflammation. Now let's revisit broccoli's role in disease prevention. The compounds in broccoli can help in preventing a range of diseases, from heart conditions to certain types of cancer. It can also protect against neurodegenerative diseases and diabetes. The fiber in broccoli can support gut health and protect against digestive disorders. In a nutshell, incorporating broccoli into your daily diet can be a potent strategy for disease prevention. The next time you see broccoli, remember, it's not just a vegetable, it's a superfood. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more enlightening videos like this. To your health.